How to make duet on TikTok. That's what I'm gonna teach you in today's video. So the first, here we can go and open TikTok app. And then if we like to do the duet, we came here to the search bar and search for duet here. And then swipe to hashtags and pick up the first hashtag called duet here. And here, as you can see, we got a lot of videos to do the duet. So let's pick up, for example, this video here. And to do the duet, we got this share button, which is the arrow. We click on it. And here, as you can see, we got this option of two faces, which is called duet. So here we're going to click on it and our camera will be open. It will be access to the camera to do the duet. Just wait a few seconds until processing the video. So once here, as you can see, we got our camera accessed. And if we click on the record button, the video on the other side will be played. And once done, just click on this button once again. Let's just make a try. As you can see, the video is running on the other side. And here we got our video. And once done, we're going to click on this icon once again. And then we're going to click on this button. And now, as you can see here, we can click on next to publish our duet video on TikTok. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.